Oh, the waves are building here on Crystal Cove. This is supposed to be the last night of the high wave advisory. They've been coming in pretty steadily, pretty big here. I was out there snorkeling, wasn't that hard getting out. So you get beyond the waves, the wave line. Pretty nice swimming. Although snorkeling wasn't that great because the surface kind of made things a little murky. There's a nice little reef out there. You can see some fish out, about 200 yards. So now it's getting smaller. It's between sets. Now will be a break here.